Fix and flip loans from OfferMarket provide you with the capital to purchase and rehab distressed 1 to 4 unit residential properties. These loans are popular among flippers and rental property investors because we provide you up to 90% towards the purchase of the property and 100% of the renovation. Get fix and flip loan terms on demand in under a minute at offermarket.us/loans. Submit your request with no obligation, review your preliminary terms, download your pre-approval letter, and schedule a call with your dedicated relationship manager to confirm the best possible terms for your transaction. Process your loan entirely online and close in 15 days or less. To help you save money, we offer the lowest possible interest rate and origination fee on every single quote. In many cases, we only charge interest on the amount of your loan that has been disbursed. This means you do not pay interest on the total loan amount until it has been disbursed to you. You can even roll interest payments into your loan and avoid making monthly interest payments. For clients that have experience with 5 or more verifiable rehab projects, we can even advance your draw funds for each stage of your scope of work. Whether you are a beginner or a pro, we are committed to providing you with everyday low pricing, industry-leading service, and an easy-to-use online platform to grow your real estate investing business. By rolling your interest payments into your loan and advancing your draw funds, you will optimize your liquidity and protect your credit score. This means you need less cash to close, and you will be positioned to get the best possible terms on your DSCR loan refi. We hope this overview has been helpful. If you have any questions or concerns, now or during the processing of your loan, we are always happy to assist you. Get started today at OfferMarket.us.